What is a process? Process is defined as the methods of changing or refining of raw materials to produce end product or processed materials. For example, crude oil as a raw material, processed in oil plant or refinery, producing gasoline or petrol as end product that used as a car fuel. Another example: agricultural residues, which used as raw material, processed in cellulosic biomass process, producing ethanol as end product, which used in the manufacture of drugs, plastics, lacquers, polishes, plasticizers, and cosmetics. Another example: wheat, which used as raw material, processed in flour production process, producing flour as end product. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.